A minivan drove over Chittenango Falls. Keep watching. Look both ways. Be careful. There we go. They fixed these stairs. They didn't used to be this good. But there's another secret waterfall over here. If it's really rainy out, you got this one right here. This is the off trail. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Just check that out. I've only seen this worse one time. I got a video of it when we had a big flash flood. Well, here we are at the very bottom of the bridge. The water's going pretty fast. You know, years ago, somebody drove a minivan off of here and it landed like right there. There's a minivan right there. And I don't think you can look that information up anywhere. It's not on Google, but there was a minivan right there. Let me know in the comments if you believe me. I used to go rafting down here in like inner tubes. And we used to go like a couple miles. Here we are, Chittenango Falls. It's one of a kind. It's known for the river that runs north, and there's actually some wildlife here that is found nowhere else on the earth. I think certain snails and stuff. It's a nice little hike too. You come down and then you go back up. This is also one of the locations we filmed my movie, A44. I love hiking in the rain, and it's perfect because nobody else is here. There was a few people, but normally this place would be crowded. Now it's time to hike back up through this little river here. At this point, something happened to my microphone. I don't know if it got wet or if it disconnected from my phone, but you can't hear me when I'm talking. And right now I'm up at the other side of the falls, back up at the top. And I noticed in the video you can't really tell how big the waterfall actually is on video.
So check out this, and maybe you can kind of get an idea looking how small that bridge looks that I was just on.
Now I'm on the other side. Reminds me of Last of the Mohegans.
And then I got food from Strong Hearts.
Okay, that is the potato salad and the buffalo chicken with the Tyndall chicken, which I met them at the Expo West back in March. Really good vegan chicken. Right, Ziggy?
Oh, and did you think I was going to leave you hanging? I would never do that. Here are the pictures of the vehicle that went over the falls. This was a while back. As you can see, these are actual photographs, not digital. And this is at least 20 or more years ago. I don't remember the exact year, but these are the only pictures that I know of that still exist. If you know anything more about this incident, please let me know in the comments below.